Imagine hosting a summer barbecue, blending a frosty smoothie, or chilling drinks at the office, only to realize you're out of ice. Frustrating, right? Electactic Ice Maker Countertop swoops in to save the day, delivering 9 ice cubes in just 8 minutes and up to 26.6 pounds of ice per day. This sleek, black, portable ice machine is a game-changer for anyone who loves cold drinks without the hassle of ice trays or constant store runs. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this self-cleaning, efficient, and easy-to-carry ice maker is a must-have for your home, office, or party setup. Stick around to discover its standout features, real-world performance, solving your ice-making woes. Let's face it, traditional ice trays are a pain. They're slow, messy, and never produce enough ice for a crowd. Store-bought ice bags? Expensive and inconvenient. The Electactic Ice Maker Countertop tackles these problems head-on, offering a compact, efficient, and user-friendly solution. Whether you're cooling drinks for a family gathering, keeping your office hydrated, or prepping for a camping trip, this ice maker ensures you're never left high and dry or warm and melty. Its self-cleaning function eliminates the hassle of manual maintenance, while its portable design makes it a breeze to move from kitchen to patio to RV. Say goodbye to watered-down drinks and hello to crisp, bullet-shaped ice that chills faster and lasts longer. Why the Electactic Ice Maker stands out. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. The Electactic Ice Maker combines cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design to deliver ice-making excellence. Here's why it's generating buzz across platforms like Facebook and beyond. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 8 minutes, perfect for impromptu gatherings or daily use. With a daily capacity of 26.6 pounds, it keeps up with even the most ice-hungry households. Portable and compact. Measuring 8.7 by 11.6 by 11.4 inches and weighing only 14.74 pounds. This ice maker is easy to carry to any location, kitchen, office, bedroom, or even a party. Its 1.5 L ice storage capacity ensures you always have ice on hand. Hassle-free operation. The two-step method is as simple as it gets. Pour water into the reservoir, press start, and watch the magic happen. No complicated setups or tech know-how required. Self-cleaning convenience. The built-in automatic cleaning cycle prevents mold and calcium buildup, saving you time and ensuring every cube is fresh and safe. Just press the clean button and relax. Smart design features. A visible window lets you monitor ice production, while 3 indicator lights, ice making, ice full, low water, keep you informed. Plus, it comes with a free ice scoop for easy serving. Bullet-shaped ice for better cooling. The round, bullet-shaped ice cubes are designed to cool drinks faster and melt slower than traditional square cubes, keeping your beverages crisp without dilution. Quiet and efficient. Equipped with a high-efficiency compressor, this ice maker operates at a low noise level, so it won't disrupt your conversations or work environment. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? I tested the Electactic Ice Maker in various scenarios to see if it lives up to the hype. Spoiler alert, it does. In my kitchen, it churned out ice for a family movie night in under 10 minutes, keeping our sodas and lemonades perfectly chilled. At a backyard barbecue, its portability shone. Moving it from the kitchen to the patio was a breeze, and it kept up with a crowd of 10 without breaking a sweat. In an office setting, it was a hit for iced coffee breaks, with colleagues raving about the smooth, round ice cubes that didn't dilute their drinks. The self-cleaning feature was a lifesaver, especially when using bottled water to avoid hard water buildup. The only minor hiccup? The 1.5 L water reservoir needs refilling more often during heavy use, but that's a small price to pay for its compact size. Who is this ice maker perfect for? The Electactic Ice Maker is a versatile addition to any lifestyle. It's ideal for homeowners who love hosting parties, barbecues, or family gatherings, office workers looking to elevate break room refreshments with iced coffee or tea, campers and RV enthusiasts who need a portable ice solution for outdoor adventures, small business owners running cafes, food trucks, or pop-up bars, students or renters in small spaces where a compact, efficient ice maker fits perfectly. If you value convenience, portability, and fresh ice on demand, This machine is tailored for you. It's especially great for those who want a low-maintenance appliance that doesn't skimp on performance. Benefits that seal the deal. Here are the top reasons why the Electactic Ice Maker is a worthy investment. Time-saving efficiency. With 9 cubes every 8 minutes, you'll never run out of ice, even during peak party hours. Low maintenance. The self-cleaning function eliminates tedious scrubbing, ensuring hygienic ice with minimal effort. Versatile and portable. Its lightweight design and carry handle make it perfect for any setting, from home kitchens to outdoor events. A few considerations. No product is perfect, and the Electactic Ice Maker is no exception. The 1.5 L water reservoir may require refilling during extended use, especially for large gatherings. Additionally, while the machine is quiet compared to competitors, there's a slight hum from the compressor, though it's barely noticeable in a busy environment. Lastly, it's designed for 110-120V outlets, so international users may need a step-down voltage transformer. These minor drawbacks pale in comparison to its overall performance and convenience. Why choose Electactic over competitors? Compared to brands like Uhumi or Silon, the Electactic Ice Maker holds its own with a faster ice-making cycle, 8 minutes versus 6 to 10 minutes for others, and a lighter weight, 14.74 pounds versus 16 to 24 pounds for similar models. Its self-cleaning function is a standout, as some competitors require manual cleaning, which can be a hassle. The visible window and indicator lights add a layer of user-friendliness that budget models often lack. Plus, its sleek black design fits seamlessly into any decor, from modern kitchens to professional offices. Maximize your summer with Ice Maker goals. This Ice Maker isn't just a gadget. It's a ticket to hassle-free hydration and entertainment. Whether you're cooling drinks for a pool party, stocking an RV cooler, or keeping your office break room stocked, the Electactic Ice Maker delivers. Its blend of speed, portability, and low maintenance makes it a top contender in the countertop ice maker market. Don't let warm drinks ruin your vibe. Upgrade your ice game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.